Welcome to my channel Shubham Gupta. In today's video, I will tell you how to install the WebEx app in your Android device and join the meeting with it without creating an account on WebEx. If you are new to my channel, please then do subscribe to my channel for further more videos. So let's start this video. In order to install the WebEx app on your mobile, you need to first click on Play Store on your home screen and then search Cisco on your mobile in Play Store and then press the enter key. Here the first result you will see will be Cisco app, and then click on it and then click on install button to install it. The app size is about 40 MBs and the downloading speed will be depending on your internet connection speed. After the app is downloaded, click on the open button in the Play Store itself. After clicking the open button on the Play Store, the app will now be opening in your mobile app. After the app opens, it will ask for some policies and accept it and press OK. Then it will ask for some permissions to join a meeting like your voice and etc. Please do accept them. And after accepting, there will be a join button and click that join button to join a meeting. After you click the join button, the first bar is of meeting information. In that text box, please write the meeting ID provided by the host in order to join the meeting. Then the second text box in the app will be of your name and change it from the default name to the name which you want to show your identity as. And after writing the name, the third option is of your email address and enter it. Then you will be entered in the meeting and there will be an intro. Read these and join these, and you can use internet or call for your audio input. You will be asked for the video and mic option. If you click the video, then the video will be starting, and if you click the mic, you will be unmuted. Click join button to join the meeting. Then select the audio option, and then you will be successfully connected to the meeting to the host. In this, you can swipe right side to only see the audio option, and you can tap to speak. In further, you have chats option here also, like a Zoom app. You can chat with the host or any other in the meeting. And here is a info option as well. From here you can share the meeting credentials on WhatsApp and etc. to your friends. Thank you. Only listeners for this video. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and if it solves your issue and you are happy with it, do like and share to your friends.